What is Mineunit? Just press the button to launch it. Mineunit will do everything else for you to start getting additional income. Most of the important discoveries humanity will make next require a lot of data processing. For it, we'll need many powerful computational systems which are expensive to acquire, set up, and maintain. The alternative is combinations of distributed machines, like the Mineunit network. A sharp interaction of an Intel CPU, a Xilinx-based custom FPGA chip, and 2 NVIDIA GPUs makes Mineunit a perfect tool for intensive distributed calculations. The platform perfectly fits for any complex computing tasks, such as media transcoding, 3D rendering, neural network training, climate prediction, medical researches, etc. Using its hardware possibilities, the Mineunit platform offers outstanding capabilities for mining various cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum-based. Mineunit has 2 terabytes of HDD storage and a 120 gigabyte SSD. They will help the device to generate even more profit for you once the Mineunit network is huge enough to offer cloud storage for businesses. Consumes 500 watts at most, like a stereo receiver. A pixel screen to show only what matters most: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa, quiet, and warm. Only approximately 33 dBA, comparable to a soft whisper. Our latest tests have shown that one device can bring up to $400 per month. Simply plug it in and start earning.